Let's talk about Washington state standards. What do they require?
Washington State does require an annual report and then a site visit report every 3 years.
And is that site visit report more in depth, more detailed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the off years are called non-site visit updates. And yes, the with site visit reports are much more in depth. Obviously, we're allowed to go on site and they include our observations. But even the non-site visit updates are quite in depth. But essentially, we're updating your financial information and project information.